Okay, so we're going to do a wheel cleaner test again. 303 heavy duty wheel cleaner versus SONAX full effect. First, we're going to go with the 303 on this side. Okay, so it says to put on the product after it's been rinsed. We're going to do it dry. What I want to do is see what kind of dirt it takes off without any kind of it's called pre-agitation or pre-rinsing. So let's do this. So I'm simply going to spray it on, oops. Let's put on spray. One thing I will say is it smells pretty good for having iron removers in it. Not bad. It smells good. So I just want to make sure I have enough on there. And I'm covering the entire wheel well. Okay. Then it says to wait for 2 minutes, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, 2 minutes is up. As a quick side note, if you haven't yet, I would highly encourage you go check out my channel where I do all kinds of videos on auto detailing the right way, methods, tips, tricks, plastic restoration, paint correction, a mold detailing trailer build, which is absolutely epic. I also do a 2-part epoxy floor. I also show installation of different gear, and there's just a ton of information that's on my channel. I would highly recommend you subscribe to stay up to date, and I really do appreciate you watching my videos. And let's get back to the original video. Let's take a closer look. So you can see the main dirt still remains. I know they're still wet, but should be able to see the dirt that's left over. So let's go over to the other side. Let's try the SONAX. Okay, so now we're going to try the SONAX wheel cleaner full effect. We're gonna do the same thing. Okay, now we're going to let it sit for 2 minutes. Just like the last one. Gotta love that color. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're about a minute in. See if we get a different result on this one. Let's rinse it. Got the same time as the other with the 303. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna say this one is inconclusive. Without scrubbing, this stuff is not gonna come off. So I'm gonna say at this point they look about the same. So here's this side. Let's take a look at the other side. It should be getting close to dry. It's a little more difficult to tell because we don't have the sunlight, but yeah, kind of the same thing. Pretty dirty, not definitely not clean. I think what we're gonna do is we'll follow this up with some Bilt Hamber Surfex HD. So this is roughly a 30% dilution ratio. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one down. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a better result. If we get any kind of result from that. While we're at it, let's go ahead and hit this side too. Obviously this side's in the sun, so I'm gonna have to rinse this side a little quicker than the other. Let's see how well Surfex HD handles this. Yeah, of course with agitation, this is definitely gonna, that would definitely be a little different ball game. However, I want to see the power of it without scrubbing before I go ahead and scrub. I don't know if this is going to do any better, and I want to get off there before it dries, so let's do that. And I don't see any difference. Still about the same. Go over to the other side here. Yeah, it didn't do much of anything. Yeah, it's going to require scrubbing. Not sure if we can tell, but okay. So conclusion is it's inconclusive. So I'll wait until I have maybe another candidate, and we're going to try this test again with the 303 and the SONAX. All right. Well, hey. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. I have a ton of footage on my channel, and I cover all kinds of different detailing things. I will be doing some ceramic coatings here soon, some polishing, some sanding, and all kinds of different stuff. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day or a great night, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.